Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another Don't Me giveaway video. Today I'm going to announce the winner of the 5 Neon Pets giveaway. If you haven't seen the competition video yet, you can watch it here. These are the names of the people who entered the giveaway. Thank you so much for entering the giveaway, guys. I do lots of giveaways on my channel, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell. The fossil pet is going, guys, now, and it's going to be replaced with ocean eggs. And there's 21 hours, or you can see in the corner here, like this. No. Okay, let's go to the Wheel of Names website and select the winner. These are the names on the side, guys, and my friend Cynthia Plays has also entered the giveaway. So good luck, Cynthia. Just a reminder, guys, there are 5 Neon Pets for giveaway. The 5th winner will get a Neon Ground Sloth. The 4th winner will get a Neon Glyptodon. The 3rd winner will get Woolly Mammoth. The 2nd winner will get a Neon Deinonychus. And the 1st winner will get a Neon Dodo. Good luck, guys, and don't get hypnotized, so cover your eyes. This is for the Neon Ground Sloth. Which one of... Aneuris Queen 1. Well done, Aneuris Queen 1. You go the Neon Ground Sloth. I'm going to remove your name and spin it again. This is for the Neon Glyptodon. Oh! And the Neon Glyptodon goes to Panquisitor. Well done, Panquisitor. I'm going to remove your name and announce the 3rd person. I want to get hypnotized. This is for the Woolly Mammoth. Uh-oh. And the Woolly Mammoth goes to Habib X. Well done, Habib X. I'm going to remove your name and spin again. This time I want to get hypnotized. But when you get hypnotized, then look, it looks brown and it looks brown again. But then it goes back to colorful. This is for the Neon Deinonychus. And it goes to Pony X Flame 1. Well done, Pony X Flame 1. You won the Neon Deinonychus, and I'm going to remove your name, and this is for the Neon Dodo. And it goes to Galaxy Cat Lover. Well done, you won the Neon Dodo. Congratulations. I will contact all of your names onto a private account so that I can give you the pets. And those of you who didn't win, don't be sad. I'm going to do another giveaway very soon. Maybe a Neon Ocean Pet giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, connect the hearts.